Good morning. Come on now, yeah. Come on, you have to.
What do you want?
You have to.
Hi.
You get it on me. Excuse me. Like, well, tell them where we're going. 1, 2, 3. The beach. Okay, let's restart. 1, 2, 3. Clearwater Beach. Woo! Look at how dusty it is right
She's
here.
been talking about how she needs a car wash.
I need a car wash.
She stresses me
I
out.
need a car wash. Here we go.
Exactly who you are. And the real you is ready. The way it goes, you can say goodbye and you can say hello. You'll always find your way back. You can change your hair and you can change your clothes. You can change your mind, that's just the way it goes. You can say goodbye and you can say hello. You'll always find your way back home.
Okay, are we already? No. I just had to say
off
something.
this
I just
other
have to say something. So,
Little
story
upset.
time that I had to video.
Story video.
Yes. Okay, so you have to listen. Okay, just don't mind the truck. So one time, are you listening? We were headed back from the beach, and you know beach traffic.
Yeah.
It was like bumper to bumper. Me and my friend said, Caroline, let's just go on the shoulders. So we drove like past all the traffic on the shoulder, and we were like, it can
That
be
is illegal.
I know, but we were like, it can be an emergency. Like we have to get home. We did have to go to the bathroom. So
Oh yeah, because that's
you see right here, the
taking a
shoulder.
poll. Should we drive on the shoulder?
Should we drive on the shoulder because I need
We're
to
already back,
get
girls.
lip
We're calling
medicine
out.
anyway.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. Oh, that is good. Okay, so song
Okay.
request.
First of all, Megan didn't know what Wide Open Spaces was by the Dixie Chicks.
But
I needed that. Bye.
I did traveling so
Wide Open Spaces. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little.
well.
3 hours later.
I look so rough.
And-
Can you tell I've been in the car for 3
And
hours?
have another hour.
Actually, it says 1:55. Yeah, so we have an hour and 6 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
This traffic is
Horrible.
So we made it. We parked. We're good.
Amazing.
I'm kind of embarrassed to be honest.
I'm embarrassed myself.
Shoes off.
What the heck? This is a dream.
Amazing. So good. Let me do this way.
So
Finally made it.
and we're driving.
Got it.
Okay,
Here we
so
go.
now. Oh, we're vlogging now.
Yeah.
Okay, so update.
Update.
It's beautiful out here. Nothing's changed.
We're headed back now.
No, we're not. We're going.
No, we're headed back, but we're like leaving the beach right now.
Oh, well,
We're
we can
headed
always come
off
back and
the
say goodbye.
beach right
You know
now.
how I am.
I didn't wear
Oh
sunscreen.
my gosh, it's like hot dog
And it's
bun.
and it's only this
Hot dog
this one.
bun.
This one's tan, right?
Yeah, that one's tan. That's right, Megan. I'm gonna get some fried shrimp. Ain't that right, Megan?
I think we can sit upstairs.
Oh, yes,
sit
we
upstairs?
Wait,
I
we
think
can sit
sit
upstairs.
with Grandpa and Grandma.
Grandpa and Grandma, you know I've been missing mine. Well,
now. That's so pretty. Aww.
Excuse me.
Yeah, because that's. All right, tell them what just happened.
Okay, so this is what happened. This guy came up to us and he was like, I need y'all to pull this prank on y'all's waiter.
Got a dessert because we played a prank on the waiter. Keep waving.
Oh, okay, hello.
Keep going. Keep going.
That's more than one thing.
No, it hasn't started. Now go. Okay. I know. You're just looking at these stars. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Why is there like...
The Big Dipper is right there.
Oh. You literally can't see them. All you can see is the airplane on
because
here.
the stars are so far away.
So, we are headed back.
We are headed back from our beach trip. And
My feet
gross.
are disgusting, right? I would say
Yeah, my
that
feet,
the
my
light is
hands,
turning
my
green.
hair, like everything. We had a amazing day. I was about to say magical day. I've been in Disney World for way too long. We had an amazing day, full of sun, full of fun,
So much fun.
full of life.
I love today.
I love today. I'm obsessed with
Wanna
today.
go back?
Let's go. Thanks for keeping up. We'll probably update y'all in like an hour.
Yeah, probably when
Bye-bye.
we're bored again.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
And we're back home. A long day. Long day at the beach, and we're back. I'm on it. Rank it out of 10.
Oh, can you even do that? It's probably like a 13. That was an unlucky number, so I'm probably gonna go with 18 because that's my favorite number. Why do you want to show them your clothes?
I'm putting my shoes away.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, there's Sandy.
Yeah.
That just stressed me out. Me too.
Wait. We are home and we are happy, and I call for a shower.
And now to finally end the night. Poop on your face. What could be better? Just kidding. It is a face mask. A clay face mask. Good night. Sleep tight.